Hello, everyone. Hello. Good evening to you all, and welcome to the penultimate round of the 2025 edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. It is the penultimate round because we have just one slot left for the final slot. And so, to compete for this slot, we have three amazing schools, and we will get to meet these schools very shortly. Before we begin, it is my singular honor to let you know that this quiz is organized by the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and it's supported by the College of Science and the College of Engineering here in KNUST. This quiz has been designed by a dedicated team of experts specifically for learners in the junior high school, and this is to enable them exhibit the understanding of basic principles underlying the life and physical sciences. We expect this program to promote teamwork, critical thinking, from the very early stages of life of these young learners. Now, the Junior Science and Maths Quiz has been supported by a number of organizations over the years, and it is only right that I begin by acknowledging the sponsors who have come on board to support us in various ways. We are grateful to KNUST E-Learning Center, and they have been in charge of all our media and video coverages. We are very grateful to KNUST E-Learning Center. We are also grateful to KNUST Institute of Distant Learning. We thank you for making our journeys around the nation very pleasurable, and we are grateful. DEX Technologies, at DEX Technologies, we say practical science, it's now practical. Thank you for making our technology round a reality and for making it very exciting and hands-on. We are also supported and reliably sponsored by Ghana Grid Company Limited, GridCo, and they provide us reliable electricity grid for development. We are also grateful to MTN Stakeholders Management, MTN Everywhere You Go. We are sponsored this year by Nestle Ghana. At Nestle, we say, good food, good life. Our media partner is Kesben TV. Kesben TV, we are grateful to you for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We are deeply grateful for your dedicated support and collaboration. Now to our wonderful participating school. What would the Junior Science and Maths Quiz be without you? And so we are grateful to our head teachers for believing in nurturing these young minds in the areas of STEM and for making your school a part of this year's edition. We say thank you. To our teachers for all the hard work, the commitment, the dedication. You are sitting right here in the audience, rooting for your schools and supporting your students. We are so grateful to you. And to our gallant contestants, when you were called upon, you didn't say no. You are here gallantly representing your schools. We say well done and are equal to you. They deserve a round of applause, don't they? Thank you. To our audience here in person and those online, thank you for joining us. You deserve another round of applause. Please, a resounding one. We are also grateful to our counseling team from the KNUST Counseling Center. They do amazingly well with our students, with our contestants. We say thank you for joining us every year and supporting our students. To the IT and the technical team, we are also grateful for all you do behind the scenes. My name is Professor Mrs. Linda Ahenkra-Fonjo, an associate professor at the School of Medical Sciences and also the head of the Department of Molecular Medicine in the School of Medical Sciences. It is indeed an honor and a pleasure to be the quiz mistress for the penultimate round of contest for the 2025 edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. I think I deserve a round of applause too. We need to meet our contestants before we begin the competition. This evening, I'm expecting nothing short of an electrifying competition, a very keenly contested one. We have 3 schools representing 3 different regions, and I know that they are going to compete fiercely for the last slot in this competition before we have our final competition on Saturday. So first we have Good Shepherd RC. Can we give them a round of applause, please? Representing one of the schools in Ashanti region. We also have ARCHBISHOP ANDOH RC Basic School, all the way from the Greater Accra region in Tema. Give them a round of applause, please. And then we have University Basic, all the way from Cape Coast. So you see why this competition is going to be a very competitive one. We have Ashanti region against Greater Accra against Greater Central region. Thank you very much. Now that we know our competing schools, we need to meet our contestants, our gallant contestants, representing their school this evening. We'll start with the very school by my left, and that is Good Shepherd RC. You are represented by, tell us your name, your class, and share a hobby with us.
So my name is Bedu Jeremy Akwesiedume, and I'm in Form 3. And my hobby is, there are a lot.
There are lots.
Like
the topmost one.
Watching football.
Watching football. So which is your favorite team?
Chelsea.
Hey, we have a Chelsea fan in the house. Yes, my lady.
And so I'm Millicent here, and I'm in Basic 9. My hobby is listening to music.
She likes listening to music. Please give them a round of applause. They are representing Good Shepherd RC. Next is ARCHBISHOP ANDOH RC Basic School. They are represented by
Blaze Kobina, and I'm in Basic 9. And what I like to do at my leisure time is to read.
Is to read. He likes reading. A round of applause for Blaze.
My name is John Febet. I'm in Basic 9, and my hobby is to research on what I don't have any ideas about.
Hey, we have a researcher in the house. A round of applause for ARCHBISHOP ANDOH RC Basic School. And then we have University Basic School, Cape Coast.
My name is Najiba Songnoma Suleiman Atia. I'm in Basic 9, and I like to play the violin during my free time.
You like to do?
Play the violin.
Wow, I'll come for classes. A round of applause for her, please. Yes.
My name is Makaya Yawabre, and I'm in Basic 3. No, Form 3 rather. And I like to play football in my leisure time.
You like to play football, which also means you have a favorite team. What team is that?
The Kings of Europe, Real Madrid.
Real Madrid. Yeah, we have a Madrid fan in the house. Amazing. Wonderful. Thank you very much for representing your school. We are very happy to have you join us here. We are about to begin our contest. I would introduce to you this evening that for this round of competition, we have 5 rounds. Round 1, which is the fundamentals. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. Round 3 is the Science and Technology Challenge, which is powered by DEX Technology. Round 4 is the decoding the clues round. And round 5 is the Global Nobel Prize Award. For each round before we begin, I will be reading the instructions, and your duty is to listen and listen attentively. Contestants, are we ready? Now, before we begin, I'd like for you to leave your microphones on, and I'd also like for you to test your buzzers. We all have buzzers in front of you, right? Good. Good Shepherd, can we hear the sound of your buzzer? Thank you very much. Again. Thank you, Good Shepherd. Archbishop ANDOH. Wonderful. University Basic. Thank you very much. Let's try one more time. Good Shepherd. Archbishop ANDOH. And University Basic. Good. So we begin with round 1. This round consists of questions in biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT. If a school answers a question correctly in this round, 3 points are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus point is 1. Schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations, and 50 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts, which means that once a school has exhausted their 2 attempts, it is up for the other 2 to compete for. And 1 attempt is allowed for a bonus question. So 2 attempts for the main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. The bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. Failure to ring the buzzer before answering nullifies your answer even if it is correct, and so no points will be awarded. At this point, I say you all have my best wishes and may the best school win. Question 1, round 1, 15 seconds. You have a preamble. And the preamble to all the schools is that mention the keys or combination of keys needed to type the following mathematical expressions in Microsoft Word on a standard alphanumeric Cote keyboard. Good Shepherd, your question. Capital G is less than 3, but greater than 5, plus @sign.
G, shift plus G, shift plus comma, shift plus full stop, shift 5, shift plus 2.
That is incorrect. And that was your bell. I'll move to the next question. Archbishop ANDOH. V of y is equal to 6y plus 4 minus #sign. Good Shepherd for a bonus.
Shift plus V. Shift plus 9. Y. Shift plus 0. Equal to sign. 6. Y. Shift plus equal to sign. Minus shift plus 2.
That is not correct. And the time is up. And so we move to the next question. For University basic. Capital C is equal to the set of the first 6 counting numbers and ampersand sign.
Shift plus C equal to shift plus open square bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, shift plus 8, shift plus open plus close square bracket.
No. Good Shepherd.
Caps lock plus C. Shift plus. Caps lock plus C. Shift plus sign 1, 2, 3, shift plus 7.
No. That was the bell. You were all quite close, but for a few things that you missed along the way. For Good Shepherd, you missed out on calling out the 3. And then for University Basic, instead of shift plus 7, you said shift plus 8. But every other thing was correct. So unfortunately, nobody scored that question. We move to question 2. You have another preamble, 15 seconds. You are to identify the following bone and state the types of bone. So I expect 2 answers from you from each school. And your images will be projected on the screen. The image on your screen, I hope it is being projected, is for Archbishop ANDOH, RC Basic.
Excuse me, can you please state the preamble again?
I don't repeat my questions, so your task is to listen. Let's give it a few minutes for the image to be projected on the screen. So my technical team, please time them now.
The bone is the femur, and it is found in the thighs.
That is incorrect. You have another attempt. For a bonus.
The bone is tibia and is found in the humerus.
No. And that was the bell. We move to the next school. University Basic, your image will be projected on the screen. There you are.
That's the capals, and they are in the hand.
They are what?
The capals
Uh-huh.
in the hand.
In the...
hand.
I'll give you 1 out of 3. Good Shepherd, your image should be projected soon. Yes.
Patella is located in the knee. It is a patella indicated in the knee joint.
I will give you 1 out of 3. It just shows that you all did not listen to my preamble. Your duty here is to listen and give me my answers. The preamble was for you to identify the bone and state the type of bone, not the location. Okay, so that is it. We move to the third question. You have 15 seconds. You have another preamble. Identify the following laboratory safety symbols. This symbol is for University Basic. This should be projected on your screens.
Cryogenic hazard.
And that is correct for 3 points. The next image is for Good Shepherd RC.
Radioactive.
No.
Highly radioactive. Biohazard.
You've exhausted your 2 attempts, and University Basic for a bonus.
Biohazard.
And that is correct for a bonus point. ARCHBISHOP ANDOH RC Basic, your image will be projected shortly.
Radiation.
No.
Non-ionizing.
I'll give it to you because you mentioned radiation first and now non-ionizing. So it's non-ionizing radiation. 3 points to ARCHBISHOP ANDOH Basic School. The next set of questions. You have 50 seconds and you also have a preamble. Solve the following and leave your answer to the nearest whole number. Good Shepherd, 20 grams of copper at 100 degrees Celsius is dropped into 500 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius. Specific heat capacity of copper is 385 joules per kilo degrees centigrade, and that for water is 418 joules kilogram degrees Celsius. Find the final temperature of the system.
$62 degrees Celsius.
No. You have one more attempt. That was your bell. Good. We move to the next question, which is for ARCHBISHOP ANDOH RC Basic School. 300 grams of iron. I'm not giving the answer because you all have a preamble. 300 grams of iron at 150 degrees Celsius is dropped into 400 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius. The specific heat capacity of iron is 450 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius, and that for water is 4186 joules per kilogram degree Celsius. Find the final temperature of the system.
46 Celsius.
No.
What 4,636 degrees Celsius.
No. Bonus to Good Shepherd.
115 degrees Celsius.
Unfortunately, no. And that was your bill. Now to University Basic, your question. 200 grams of copper at 90 degrees is dropped into 500 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius. The specific heat capacity for copper is 385, and that for water is 418 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Find the final temperature of the system.
$57.5 degrees Celsius.
No.
58 degrees Celsius.
No. Bonus to any school. Good Shepherd.
80 degrees Celsius.
No. And that was the bell. Unfortunately, no school was able to answer my question. But first of all, you need to be able to convert all your grams into kilograms and then draw up a simultaneous equation to be able to calculate your final temperature. And none of you was able to achieve that. Hopefully, you will do when you revise. All right, question 5. This is to Archbishop ANDOH RC Basic. A train leaves city A for city B at the distance from the two cities is 100 kilometers at speed v kilometers per hour. Another train leaves city B for city A at speed v plus 30 kilometers per hour at the same time. They meet after 1 hour. Find V. No, and that was your bill, Archbishop ANDOH. A bonus to Good Shepherd.
35 kilometers per hour.
That is correct for 1 bonus point. University Basic. 2 trains start from cities X and Y, 120 kilometers apart, at the same time towards each other. Train 1 travels 10 kilometers per hour faster than train 2. They meet after 2 hours. Find the speed of train 1.
X 35 kilometers.
Could you speak
per,
louder?
35 kilometers per hour.
No. You have
55 kilometers per hour.
No. Bonus to Good Shepherd.
115 kilometers per hour.
No. Are you? I saw that you were pressing your buzzer. I would allow you to give your answer.
50 kilometers per hour.
No. Let's press our buzzers again. University Basic. Archbishop. Okay, so you need to press a little harder. Good. And then Good Shepherd. Thank you very much. Good Shepherd, your main question. A train leaves city A for city B, distance 150 kilometer, at speed v kilometer per hour. Another train leaves city B for city A at speed v plus 20 kilometer per hour at the same time. They meet after 3 hours. Find v.
Two 215 kilometers per hour.
Could you repeat?
215 kilometers per hour.
No. One more attempt.
$65 kilometers per hour.
No. Archbishop ANDOH?
60 kilometers per hour.
No. That was the bell. Unfortunately, I was hoping that our Good Shepherd, you will get this right because you got the bonus question, but unfortunately you couldn't. The answer I expected is 15 kilometers per hour. Again, it employs the principle of simultaneous equations, and if you were able to draw it up very well, you would have gotten your answer right. We move to question 6. Again, you have another preamble. The following questions are statements. You are to state whether they are true or false. These questions, unfortunately, cannot be passed on as bonuses. University Basic. The derivative of a function gives the slope of its tangent line at a point.
True.
Is correct for 3 points. Good Shepherd. A function can have a derivative at a point, but not to be continuous there.
True.
No. Archbishop ANDOH. The derivative of a sum of function is the sum of the derivatives.
True.
That is correct for 3 points. Good Shepherd. DNA contains the sugar ribose.
True.
No. Rather contains what? Audience? DNA contains what? Contains what? What sugar? Oh, I can't hear you. Pardon? It does contain genetic information, but my question is what sugar? Deoxyribose, rather, okay? Archbishop, your question. DNA is a double-stranded molecule.
True.
Is correct for 3 points. University Basic. DNA is found only in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells.
True.
That is not correct. And on that note, we come to the end of round 1. Can we give the contestants a round of applause, please? So, Our scores for round 1 is ready. And at the end of round 1, Good Shepherd RC has a total of 2 points. Archbishop ANDOH has a total of 9 points. And University Basic Cape Coast has a total of 8 points. Please give them a round of applause. We move on quickly to round 2, which is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. Contestants, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. We need to test our buzzers again. Good Shepherd, Archbishop, University Basic. Wonderful. So round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. One question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. When a contestant is ready to respond, you are required to press the buzzer before you attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify your school from that question. After the buzzer is pressed, contestants must answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete for the answer by pressing your buzzer. Each school will have a maximum of 1 attempt to answer each question. A wrong answer in this round would mean a penalty of 1. Once again, my dear contestants, you all have my best wishes. First question in this round. Factorize 18x squared minus 33x plus 15. Shepherd.
X minus 18 in one bracket. Multiply another bracket, x minus 15.
No. And that was the bell. If you did factorize that right, I should expect you to give me an answer that looks like this. 3 open bracket 6x minus 5, close bracket, open bracket x minus 1, close bracket. Okay? Next question. A person shouts towards a building, a large building, and hears the echo. University Basic.
343 meters per second.
No. Shall I continue? Here's the echo after 3 seconds. If the temperature drops and the speed of sound reduces to 330 meters per second, what is the new time delay for the echo from the same building? All right, that was the bell. If you work that out, you should actually get 3 seconds equally, if you round it up. Okay, either you get 3.12 or you give me 3, I would have accepted. We'll move to the next question. The finger-like projections...
Appendix.
No. University Basic.
The villi.
It is correct for 4 points. Next question. The scientist who proposed the planetary model of Good Shepherd.
Niels Bohr.
It is correct for 4 points. What is the sending of unwanted electronic messages? Good Shepherd.
Spamming.
That is correct for 4 points. Species that are crucial for the survival of an ecosystem. University Basic. 3 seconds. So I would continue for the sake of the other 2 schools. Species that are crucial for the survival of an ecosystem and whose removal can drastically affect an ecosystem are called. Archbishop?
The consumer.
No. My audience, anybody? For a prize? Yes, my lady. Sorry. No. No. So the word I was looking for is keystone species, and we have various types of them, okay? Good. The next question. A convex lens of focal length 15 centimeters and a concave lens of focal length 10 centimeters are placed in contact. Find the focal length of the combination. Good Shepherd?
30 centimeters.
No. Archbishop ANDOH?
150 centimeters.
No. All right, that was the bell. The next question. Good Shepherd, you were very close. You left out my negative. Negative 30 centimeters is your answer. Good. The last question in this round. Find the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence. 2, 5, 8, Good Shepherd?
59.
Is correct for 4 points. And on that correct note, we come to the end of round 2. Well-deserved round of applause. Please give it up to them again. So, for round 2, Archbishop ANDOH School had -3 points. University Basic had 2 points. Good Shepherd has 10 points. And so, when you add that to the scores for round 1, Archbishop ANDOH has a total of 6 points. University Basic, a total of 10 points. Good Shepherd, a total of 12 points. We move on quickly to round 3, and this is the Science and Technology Challenge round. The gadgets that you need for this round will be supplied to you shortly. And this round is proudly powered by Dex Science Set. So our contestants are being given their gadgets for this round of contest. And you all have one preamble. I will read the preamble before we begin. In this round, one question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require contestants to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. And as I mentioned earlier, this round is proudly powered by Dex Science Set. They make our round 3 very exciting, very practical, and very hands-on. My dear contestants, you have all you need now. You have your preamble question. Silence in the auditorium. Thank you very much. Yes, I know we are all excited and cheering up our schools. Now let's read the task together. As part of Ghana's drive towards renewable energy and innovation, your school has been selected to participate in a national solar technology challenge. Your team must investigate how different colors of light affect the performance of a solar panel. Engineers believe that some colors may produce more electrical energy than others, but they need experimental data to confirm this. You have been provided with an RGB light model, red, green, blue light sources, a small solar panel, a digital multimeter, and connecting wires. Your task is to test the response of the solar panel to each color of the light. And after you have done that, you are to shine red, green, and blue light from the RGB model onto the solar panel one at a time. Use the multimeter to measure the voltage output for each color. Turn on all the colors at the same time and measure the voltage as well. Record your readings clearly in the table for analysis. Now your related questions. Fill in the voltage in the table that you have been provided. Your next question is, why do you think different colors affect the solar panel differently? What type of light do solar panels absorb best? And how could this investigation help improve solar technology in Ghana? Once you have all you need, my dear contestants, your time starts now. it's time for you to bring your answer sheets over. So, University Basic, could you kindly bring your sheets over? Thank you very much. Good. Archbishop ANDOH. Good Shepherd RC. Thank you very much. So I'll go through your answers, award your marks, and then announce your scores afterwards. Well done so far, my dear contestants. So after the round 3, which is our science and technology round, our scores are ready. So I'll start with university basic junior high school because I collected your scripts first. So I came round and observed you performing your experiments. Per the voltages I expected, I didn't quite find that on your sheet. We gave a deviation of at least 0.5 plus or minus, but you didn't quite give me any within the range I expected. I was also expecting that there should be a graduation. For all the colors, it should give you the maximum voltage and then graduate with red giving you the least voltage. But your values here didn't give me that indication. You have the highest being for blue and then the least being for red. But your highest should have been for all the 3 colors combined. And so for attempting and performing the experiment and observing the values that you have written, I gave you 2 out of 8, okay? 2 out of 8. And then why do you think different colors affect the solar panel? You gave me a reason here. Not quite what I expected. You say the solar panel contains pigments which absorb, not quite. Solar panel pigment, no. So out of 3, again, I gave you 1. And then the third question, what type of light do the panels absorb best? I was expecting blue and green, but you gave me only blue, so 1 out of 2. And then how could this investigation help improve solar technology in Ghana? You gave me a good reason, so 2 out of 2. In total, you have a score of 6 out of 15. Can we give them a round of applause, please? Archbishop ANDOH, you had sort of a similar challenge with University Basic. I was also expecting some deviation of 0.5 in your values, but I didn't see that. Like I was also expecting a graduation with your all colors giving you the highest voltage. But for your indication here, your highest voltage was seen with the red, and your red should have given you the least voltage. So again, I also give you 2 out of 8. And then, why do you think the different colors affect the solar panel differently? Because red has the longest wavelength, it has more effect. No, unfortunately. So you scored no points for that. What type of light do solar panels absorb? You say ultraviolet. Sun can be absorbed best by solar cells. I give you 2 out of 2. And then how could the investigation help improve solar technology in Ghana? You gave me a good reason, so 2 out of 2. In all, you also have 6 out of 15. Well done. And then for Good Shepherd, like I indicated, the deviation of plus or minus 0.5. And for your values here, your red was within range, your green was within range, your blue was also within range. Your all colors, even though was the highest on the sheet, was a little out of range. And so in all, I give you 6 out of 8. Please give them a round of applause. And then for your second related question, why do you think different colors affect the solar panel differently? You gave me a good reason, 2 out of 3. You said because the solar panel can absorb electricity, the word electricity there, from different colors at different voltages. This is why we got different voltages from the different colors. It's because the different lights have different rates. So because you were not using the right terminologies, but you had a very good idea, I give you 2 out of 3. And then what type of light? You talked about the visible light, and it gives you a higher voltage, so 2 out of 2. And then how could this investigation help improve solar technology in Ghana? Give me a good reason. It could help improve solar technology in Ghana because it gives, if we know the voltages and different colors, it will help us maximize the amount of electricity generated. We know since some colors generate more electricity. I mean, for the good idea, I also give you 2 out of 2. In all, you have a total of 12 out of 5. So well done, contestants. And so, as I have indicated, at the end of round 3, University Junior High School, a total of 6 points. Archbishop ANDOH, a total of 6 points. And Good Shepherd, a total of 12 points. Well done, well done, well done, well done. And so at the end of all the 3 rounds, Archbishop ANDOH RC Basic School has a total of 13 points. Please give them a round of applause. It is not easy. University Basic Cape Coast has a total of 16 points. Good Shepherd RC has a total of 23 points. We have 2 more rounds to go, and so without wasting much time, we quickly go to round 4. But before we begin round 4, there are no substitutions, and so we shall proceed. Round 4, my dear contestants, is the decoding the clues round. Are we ready? Can we test our buzzers again? Good Shepherd, Archbishop ANDOH, University Basic. Thank you very much. Now to the rules. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points will be awarded. Correctly answered on the second, 5 points. On the third, 4 points. On the fourth or any other indication, 3 points will be awarded. Contestants, you are to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press the buzzer before answering disqualifies you from the question and nullifies your answer. So the first set of clues, set 1. I am a 3-layer semiconductor device where a thin middle region controls currents between two outer regions of opposing. University Basic.
A transistor.
What type of transistor? All right. I'll give it to Archbishop ANDOH because I want a very specific answer in this round. And so,
PN transistor.
Small changes in base emitter voltage or base current can switch or amplify much larger currents from collector to emitter. Clue 3. In digital circuits, I often act as a switch. In analog circuits, I serve as an amplifier. My symbol shows an arrow on the emitter pointing outwards from the base for this polarity. Last clue. I am a common bipolar junction transistor type. Who am I? Good Shepherd.
PNP transistor.
No. So I was expecting NPN transistor. Set 2. I coordinate growth, metabolism, and responses to stress and imbalances can cause widespread dysfunction. Insulin lowers blood sugar, while Good Shepherd
Hormones.
is correct on the second clue. On the second clue. The third set. I am a multi-layered dynamic medium formed by weathering, organic decay, and the activity of organisms. University Basic
Soil.
is correct on the first clue. On the first clue. The last set in this round. Set 4 and the last one. I am a single word that comfortably wears different hats in science and medicine, so that hearing me in one room might mean something entirely different to the next person in the next room. Clue 2. In the life sciences, I often point your attention to the mouth, composed in parts of some of the hardest mineralized tissue the body makes. Are Archbishop ANDOH?
The teeth.
No. Clue 3. Dentists and zoologists both study my shape and wear. University Basic.
The jaw.
Because the way I'm built and how I aberrate over time reveal what an animal has been eaten and how it processes its meal. I'll take the third clue again. Dentists and zoology both study my shape and wear, because the way I am built and how I aberrate over time reveals what an animal has been eaten and how it processes its meal. Clue 4. In a chemistry laboratory, however, I lose my fang-like meaning and instead describe a concentration and used in titration and solution recipes. Clue 5. Practically, you will meet me when a chemist prepares reagents to exact strengths and when a dentist examines the rear teeth that gives you the power to crush and chew. Last clue. 2 fields, 2 different images, a back tooth and a unit of concentration, yet the same short name fits them both. Who am I? Yes.
The enamel.
No. Audience, anybody? Yes. Mola is correct. A round of applause for him. Well done. And that brings us to the end of round 4. Please give the contestants a round of applause. And at the end of round 4, Good Shepherd has a total of 5 points. Archbishop ANDOH 0, University Basic 6 points. And so in total, Archbishop ANDOH has a total of 13 points, University Basic 22 points, Good Shepherd 28 points. Well done, contestants. Before we move to the last round of the day, we have a few substitutions to be made. And so Good Shepherd, Jeremy goes out and Marie Agatha comes in. Millicent also goes out and Petra Asida comes in. Well done, Jeremiah and Millicent. Marie Agatha and Petra Asida. And then for University Basic, Micaiah goes out and Joanna comes in. Najib also goes out and Nanaya comes in. Najib and Micaiah, well done, well done. Archbishop, Blaze goes out and Adipa comes in. Can we give them all a round of applause? So we'll start with Good Shepherd, who have settled in quite comfortably. You tell us your name, your class, and your hobby. Anything you love doing. Yes.
My name is Maria Agatha Foku. I'm in Basic 9, and my hobby is reading.
Reading. A round of applause.
My name is Margaret Petra Asidaya. I'm also in Basic 9, and I like to listen to music.
She likes to listen to music. Wonderful. Archbishop ANDOH, we have one new member. Introduce yourself to us.
I respond to the name Nanaya Depanoju from Archbishop ANDOH RC Basic School. I'm in grade 9, and I love to dance.
You love to?
Dancing.
Dancing. We have someone who likes to listen to music and another who likes to dance. I like that combination. A round of applause, please. University Basic JHS. Introduce yourselves to us.
My name is Nanaya Mamba Odru. I'm in Basic 9 and I like to write poems.
She likes to write poems. I'll tell you my date of birth so that on my birthday you write a poem for me. How about that? Wonderful. A round of applause.
My name is Joanna Kukwabedu Sam and I like to read.
You like to read. She likes to read. The knowledge is in the books. Please give them all a round of applause. We are happy you are here representing your schools so very well. Welcome on board. We have the last round for the day. And so I'll read the instructions and I hope that you listen carefully. In this round, there will be 3 sets of questions. Each set has a main question and 2 sub-questions. Schools will compete to be the first to ring their buzzer, and the first school to ring their buzzer will be allowed to answer the first question. If the school answers the question correctly, they have the right to answer the sub-questions. The main question will be passed on for full marks if it is incorrectly answered by the school that rings the buzzer first. Sub-questions in a set will be passed on as bonus if it is incorrectly answered. The bonus question will be competed for by ringing the buzzer. 3 points will be awarded for answering the main question correctly and 1 point for each of the sub-questions. A point will be awarded for question answered as bonus in this round. Now, when any of the competing schools is not able to answer a question, the question ends. Are we ready? Contestants, are we ready? Please give me a smile. That's better. Good. The last round, the first question in this round. Let's test our buzzers. Good Shepherd, Archbishop, University Basic. Thank you. Charles Townes invented the laser. How is the laser light different from ordinary sunlight? University Basic.
Laser light is coherent and monochromatic, but the normal sunlight is incoherent and multi-wavelength.
That is correct. Now you have earned the right to answer the sub-question. Listen. Can we calm down so my contestants can hear my question? Thank you very much. Why is laser light able to cut through materials or perform surgery?
Laser light is able to pass through because it is discovered about ultra pure fiber glass that allows light signals to break through over a long distance.
Not quite what I wanted. So bonus to Good Shepherd.
Thank you. So the precision of laser light allows them to be able to move through soft tissue such as the skin, and this is able to target the particular, let's say in terms of eye surgery, it's able to target the particular tissue without affecting any other tissue around it.
Could you go over that again?
Okay. So I said that laser light has penetrating effect into soft tissue such as the skin, and then when it penetrates, it can be manipulated to target the particular place where the defect is. So when it cuts through that defect, it doesn't affect any other tissue around it, and it makes it safe for use.
Not quite the answer I wanted.
Laser is more of a concentrated light source, so it is able to cut at a specific point. Using laser, it is objects like metal and even the skin are able to be cut.
I'll give it to you for 1 point. The key word there is that it has a concentrated energy and high intensity, so it can penetrate and can cut through materials. Good. And so the next question in this subset. Name a modern device that uses laser. Because Archbishop answered the first sub-question right, they have the right to answer this.
A laser is used in, for a specific device, we have holographic imaging.
We have
holographic imaging.
Good Shepherd.
It can be used in sensors. It can be used in laser light sensors.
I'll give it to you for 1 point. Sorry? What's your issue? Come again? No. No. All right. Okay. Let me get the rules right. Thank you very much. So, because for the main question, Good Shepherd, you got it wrong. It automatically rules you out of even the sub-question, okay? So, the same applies to University Basic. And so, Archbishop ANDOH, you had the right to answer, but unfortunately, you didn't give me the right answer, and so it ends there. Are we clear? Are we clear? Good. The second question in this set. Remember, we have only 3 questions, and so the second. Frederick Sanger developed revolutionary methods to determine DNA-based sequences. How did Sanger's technique overcome the challenge of reading? Good Shepherd.
Okay, so by the use of DNA sequencing, we are able to determine the genetic elements that are found in the DNA and its actual positioning.
No. So I'll finish the question because Good Shepherd did not allow me. How did Sanger's technique overcome the challenge of reading billions of bases? University Basic.
Because he allowed the base sequence of nucleic acids.
Repeat that.
Because he allowed the base sequence of nucleic acids.
No. And that was the bell. And since I didn't get the right answers, that ends that question. We move to the last question in this round. Telomeres and aging. Open brackets, 2009, close brackets. Elizabeth Blackburn, Carol Grader, Jack Zostak. What is the end replication problem, and how do telomeres solve it? Good Shepherd.
Okay, so the problem is aging, and telomerase helps in the development of anti-aging drugs, which can prevent the body from developing very quickly.
Developing?
Very quickly or rapidly.
No. University Basic.
Shortened telomeres are linked to aging, and telomeres activity causes cancer cells to replicate indefinitely. Telomeres protect chromosomes and then telomeres maintain them.
I'll give it to you for that. And so, University Basic, you have earned the right to the next question. I knew from the beginning that we were going to have an electrifying contest, and it is nothing short of this. Thank you, audience, and thank you, my contestants. So, University Basic, the sub-question: why do most somatic cells have limited division capacity?
Somatic cells have limited division capacity because they are rapidly
No. Good Shepherd to no. No. You lost on the first one, so you don't have the right. Yes, Archbishop ANDOH.
Cells have a limited capacity because as the body ages, cells die, and as they die, that capacity is then sent back to are then converted to platelets.
No. And that brings us to the end of round 5. A round of applause to my contestants. Before I bring the scores I would like to acknowledge the immense support of the College of Science and the College of Engineering that has made the 2025 edition of our Junior Science and Maths Quiz very successful. We are also grateful to the KNUST e-Learning Center, KNUST Institute of Distant Learning, Dex Technology. They make our round 3, which is our science and technology round, a very practical and hands-on round. We are grateful to our sponsors, Gridco, Ghana Grid Company Limited. They provide us with reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, everywhere you go. We are grateful to you for coming on board. To Nestle Ghana Limited, good food, good life. We say thank you for making 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz a reality. To our media partners, Kesben TV, thank you for being our media partner, for partnering with us. Your engaging broadcast and commitment to quality have significantly amplified our reach and impact. We deeply appreciate your dedication and support. We are also grateful to our IT and technical team for all you do behind the scenes, and to our counseling team from the KNUST Counseling Center. We've had a very lively and electrifying contest. We are grateful to all our teachers, our audience online, and our audience in-house. Please give yourselves a round of applause. We'll bring the final scores to you shortly.
I'm Seth Bimpon, a facilitator and a coordinator for the Nakatabra AJHS at Kujokrom. We have been participating. This is our second term of coming. The first time we managed to be in Kumasi, though we were not at the semi-finals or the finals. But this time round, we are telling the schools in Takoradi that already we are in Kumasi, and all the schools coming to Kumasi should watch out for the Nakatabra because we are all coming there to play. Our motto is success lies in hard work, and with hard work, we are going to conquer. Thank you.
My name is Michael Ostiche, a tutor or facilitator at Pentecost Preparatory School. Having been previous winners of this competition, that's the GSM quiz, science and math quiz, we are here for the ultimate. You know, PPS, the best being our goal, we are here for the ultimate. We are here to conquer the rest of the two schools and make it to Kumasi, where we are going to showcase our talent. PPS, the best is our goal.
My name is Cephas Nugo, Cephas, the normally query, and I'm the coordinator or the trainer for Woodbridge International School, situated in Takoradi, Western Region, at Racecourse. And this is our first time contesting for the GSM quiz. And I think it has been an experience. We've known other aspects of science that the students are to know. And we would like to thank the organizers and the sponsors for this thing they are doing for us, especially these our children. And we say that as they keep on growing, science or the STEM will be something that will be part and parcel of them. We would like to tell other schools who are coming to compete for the national to watch out for us, for we are really poised for action this year. And obviously, you might bring the cup to Takoradi or the Western Region. Thank you for the sponsors. Thank you to everyone who sponsored this quiz. And we are saying a great thank you to our professors in KM University.
Hello everyone. My name is Mami Esidufia Amako, a final year student of Nana Katabra AJHS. We have experienced many things from this contest, but by the grace of God, we have qualified and we are going to Kumasi for the Junior Science and Math quiz. Those in Kumasi, we want you to expect nothing but the best from us. Thank you.
God bless our teachers too. God bless our parents, families. God bless all of us. God will be our guide. God is with us always in our daily life.
I'm Seth Bimpon, a facilitator and a coordinator for the Nakatabra AJHS at Decoding. We have been participating. This is our second term of coming. The first time we managed to be in Kumasi, though we were not at the semi-finals or the finals. But this time round, we are telling the schools in Takoradi that already we are in Kumasi, and all the schools coming to Kumasi should watch out for the Nakatabra because we are all coming there to play. Our motto is success lies in hard work, and with hard work, we are going to conquer. Thank you.
My name is Michael SCH, a tutor or facilitator at Pentecost Preparatory School. Having been previous winners of this competition, that's the GSM quiz, science and math quiz, we are here for the ultimate. You know, PPS, the best being our goal, we are here for the ultimate. We are here to conquer the rest of the two schools and make it to Kumasi, where we are going to showcase our talent. PPS, the best is our goal.
My name is Cephas Novo, Cephas, the normally call, and I'm the coordinator or the trainer for Woodbridge International School, situated in Takoradi, Western Region, at Racecourse. And this is our first time contesting for the GSM quiz. And I think it has been an experience. We've known other aspects of science that the students are to know. And we would like to thank the organizers and the sponsors for this thing they are doing for us, especially these our children. And we say that as they keep on growing, science or the STEM will be something that will be part and parcel of them. We would like to tell other schools who are coming to compete for the national to watch out for us, for we are really poised for action this year. And obviously, you might bring the cup to Takoradi or the Western Region. Thank you for the sponsors. Thank you to everyone who sponsored this quiz. And we are saying a great thank you to our professors in KM University.
Hello everyone. My name is Mami Esidufia Amakon, a final year student of Nana Katabra AJHS. We have experienced many things from this contest, but by the grace of God, we have qualified and we are going to Kumasi for the Junior Science and Math quiz. Those in Kumasi, we want you to expect nothing but the best from us. Thank you.
God bless our teachers too. God bless our parents, families. God bless all of us. God will be our guide. God is with us always in our daily lives.
The 2024 Junior Science and Maths Quiz Finals saw an exciting display of brilliance and academic excellence between KNUST JHS, SOS Herman Tamale, and Best Brain Academy. After an intense showdown that kept everyone on edge of their seats, KNUST JHS emerged as the 2024 champions, with SOS Herman Tamale following closely in second place and Best Brain Academy taking the third spot. As the curtains falls on this year's competition, one question remains: who will claim the bragging rights for the 2025 championship.
Mr. Famous Nkrumah, the coordinator for Sacred Heart Junior High School. We thank the sponsors for this particular quiz, the JSM quiz. It has been a very competitive contest. There were schools here that we never expected to give us a run for our money, but they really gave us a run for our money. So we are preparing for the grand finale. When we come, our anthem is only the best, is the best that we want. And we know that when we come, we are going to win. And congratulations and thank you message to all schools who were able to make it. Some came from Wenchi, some came from Japeko, far away, all of them were able to come to be part of this particular contest. It has been a very good contest and a competitive contest. And we know that the grand finale is also going to be competitive. But we from Sacred Heart, whether competitive or not, we are going to bring the crown to Sunyani. Thank you very much, our sponsors, and may God bless you for all that you've done for all the schools. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nkrumah Samuel, speaking from Heavenly Royals. I am the coordinator that took the place to guide my boys in Heavenly Royals. And what I want to say is that we thank God for how far He has brought us. We started this particular operation since last 3 years, and we appreciate God for how far He has brought us. We go by the motto, glorifying God as our aim. And today we came with the mindset to glorify God. And we thank you for how far He has brought us. And we believe that we have seen some few minutes and mistakes.
and we're going to work upon very hard so that we can go and represent Kuno region in Ashanti region and bring the trophy back to Ashanti and bring the trophy back to Kuno region. We thank you all for your support. Thank you very much.
We are representing Heavenly Royals Preparatory School and JHS. I'm the 9 students of Heavenly Royals Preparatory School, and today we are the qualifiers of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. Other schools should not expect anything from us but the best. Thank you to all the sponsors for organizing this Junior Science and Maths Quiz. Thank you all.
My name is Solano Sidako. I'm the Senior School Prefect of Sacred Heart JHS, and I'm here with We've won this contest, and we want to tell the other schools that they should get prepared because we are bringing fire to the stage. We want to say a very big thank you to the sponsors of this quiz contest, Nestle Ghana, Dex Technology, KNUSC, and other sponsors for making this quiz a success. Thank you.
Present in a molecule of water is University JHS in Yatel.
2 hydrogen atoms.
2 is correct. In total, how many are boys and how many are girls?
So there are 16 boys and 12 girls.
That is correct.
10 kilometers per hour. Incorrect, try again. 160 kilometers per hour. That is correct. Is flying at 250 kilometers per hour due east. A wind is blowing from the east at 50 kilometers per hour. What is the velocity of the airplane relative to the ground?
200 kilometers per hour.
That is correct.
I am Edward Arthur, the science teacher at Pedu MAB Basic School and the trainer of these contestants. We are very much happy to partake in this year's competition. So far, so good. It has given the children the platform to experience world of academics outside the classroom. So we thank the organizers very much, especially registering without paying anything. They have really given the children the opportunity, as well as the teachers. Then we have also been given the platform to also know how to handle these children and prepare them for the brighter future ahead. We thank the organizers once again very much. And then we are also pleading that for Central Region, they expand the slots, give us at least 5 slots for us to come and showcase our talent. The children have done very well, and we hope that next year we'll be able to qualify, and then we come to Kumasi for the national program. We thank you once again, and may God bless all the organizers of this program, especially the KNUST. I understand it's a physics department. So God bless you, and thank you very much.
I'm Joanna Kran, a coordinator, JSMQ coordinator in St. Nicholas Anglican JHS. I teach them through all the activities, teaching them mathematics, science, and computing and the stuff. Now, I'm very happy that we've qualified for the national. My expectation is that we are going to work hard to compete with the KNUST Basic, Galaxy International, and also about the Nobel Challenge. We have prepared our students for that. And I think the organizing is very good. Everything was systematic, the time and the online, everything was perfect. Thank you very much. The technology and everything. That's the second time of experiencing online quizzes. Thank you very much. And also, I want to thank the organizers for this program. This program came with no fee, unlike other quizzes where you have to register for a fee. So we thank you very much, and we wish you safe journey. God bless you all.
My name is Dunyo Holy. I'm one of the coaches for University Junior High. And when I talk about the GSMQ, I'll say it's a very impactful program that is helping the students to broaden their knowledge before they get to the secondary cycle. And it will be a very nice experience to go against other schools during the national contest. And to our sponsors, we say, God bless you and thank you for supporting this impactful program. Thank you.
My name is Najiba Sunu Suleiman Atia, and I'm from University JHS Yalta Okubi. I'm in GS9, and I qualified with my team for the quarterfinals this year. So all the other regions, all the other schools coming from the other regions, watch out and expect nothing but the best.
Hello, my name is Andrea Nananaya Amo. I'm in Basic 9, a contestant of Junior Science and Maths quiz. So far, the quiz has been an interesting one, and we have qualified to the national. I want to thank the organizers for organizing such an interesting contest for students in the JHS level. Our expectations in the National Junior Science and Maths quiz is that we are going to perform better and excel so we can bring the trophy to our school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Kweku, a teacher at Alumina Methodist DHS. I'm a science teacher. In fact, this competition has been an interesting one. We really prepare well. As our motto goes, success lies in hard work. So we really prepared and we have come to do it. We are going to do it at Kumasi over there too. Those who are coming, we are coming to meet at the Nationals. You should really prepare for us. We are coming to meet you like Kakai. For the sponsors, you have really done well. In fact, looking at the program from the beginning to the end, it has been a successful one. Talking about the plans that we put in place, it has been superb.
The blue litmus paper changes to red, and the red litmus paper does not change color.
That is correct.
My name is Mr. Apusia Pabua. I'm the Maths and Science Quiz Coordinator for Gift Preschool Complex. For the Kenya University Junior Maths and Science Quiz, I think so far we've been to different quiz competition, but I can boldly say with a confidence that I think this is the best quiz we've ever attended. There are questions, everything is standard, and then I am urging all schools to participate in this competition. Because if your school is not participating, I think you are denying them something good. Give your children exposure so that they will become the best when they move to senior high school. Give preschool complex. We joined this quiz competition, and since then, our students are performing well. They are excelling in their various SCHs, and I'm urging all schools, junior high schools, to come and join, especially the Eastern region part. We are expecting every school to come and join. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
The Kenya University Junior Maths and Science is one of the best schools you can find in the Eastern region. So I'm urging all schools to join us as we fight in our region. We thank all our sponsors for sponsoring us to get to this level. And we thank all our supporters.
Give my very patient contestants a round of applause. Well done so far. So we've had a bit of a challenge with the 5th round, and we would like to make a few things clear. So for the first question in this round, University Basic got this right, and so they earned the right to answer the first sub-question, which they got wrong, and Archbishop ANDOH rather got right, and so they earned a point. They were unable to answer the second sub-question, and Good Shepherd was able to, and so they earned a point for that. Now, the bone of contention is in the third question, where Good Shepherd was not given an opportunity to answer. And so, for that reason, Good Shepherd and Archbishop, you have a question to compete for. You have a question to compete for. Now, this is a sub-question. Can we test our buzzers? Archbishop? Good. What is the principle behind Sanger's sequencing? Good Shepherd. Put on your mic.
Nuclear-based sequencing.
No. That is incorrect. And that brings us again to the end of that question. All right. And so, our final scores. At the end of all the rounds, Archbishop ANDOH RC Basic School has a total of 14 points. Please give them a round of applause. University Basic School, Cape Coast, has a total of 28 points. And Good Shepherd RCJHS has a total of 29 points. And that brings us to the end of the penultimate contest of the 2025 edition of the Junior Science and Maths Quiz. Once again, we are grateful to all our sponsors, to the entire team for making this edition a very successful one. Audience, give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you all very much. And we look forward to seeing you on Saturday, 10 o'clock, for the final competition. Thank you and well done to my competing schools. Archbishop ANDOH, you did your best. You have performed well. We look forward to seeing you next year. University Basic, Cape Coast, you fought a good fight, but there can only be one winner. Well done. Hold your heads up high. You did a fantastic job. And so we look forward to seeing you again next year. And to the winners of the final contest, Good Shepherd RCJHS, congratulations to you, and we look forward to seeing you on Saturday. All the best to all the competing schools on Saturday. Thank you all. It is bye for now.